everybody, welcome to Jer's Motorcycle Repair. Here's today's new project that's coming up. It just arrived that I got to work on. It's an 83 Shovelhead Ultra Classic. I'm going to give you a quick tour of it. This is going to be a fun one. She needs a lot of cleaning. It's dirty. It's got carburetor issues. This bike's been sitting for 3 years. Got to go through the carburetor. Might even install a different one on there, depending on how bad this one is. And I got to change all the fluids in it. I'm going to detail it. He wants all the lights to work on it. Like I said, this is a pretty cool old school bike. It's going to be a lot of fun. And I like to see this one back on the road. And she's got 53,000 miles on her. Still got a lot of life left in her. This is an 80 cubic inch Shovelhead. They have a unique sound of their own. So this is going to be a fun one. So sit back, enjoy, and stay tuned. I'll be releasing this soon.